Jesus is so interested in you. Just imagine the God of heaven, a holy God, is very interested in someone like us. Who are we for the holy God to take time knowing us? Let's study the story of Zacchaeus. Who is Zacchaeus? You can read the story in Luke 19, verses 1 to 10. He was a short man, a chief tax collector, very wealthy. During that time, if you are tax collector, people saw you as a sinner because they used to trick and deceive people. How Jesus showed his interest in Zacchaeus and us. Jesus showed his interest in these three aspects of your life. Number one, your situation and condition. Zacchaeus was too curious. Who is this Jesus? Because Zacchaeus was a short man, he climbed a sycamore fig tree to see Jesus. In Luke 19, verse 5, when Jesus reached the spot, he looked up. Jesus knew there's a man on the tree with a desire to know him. Jesus knew there's a sinner on the tree that wanted to know who really Jesus is. How about us? Jesus is interested where you are right now. Jesus is interested in your situation right now, in your very sad and unlikely condition. Jesus knows where you run to cry and asking for help. Jesus knows where in the part of your house you shed your tears. Jesus is listening and seeing you and very interested in you. Don't ever think he abandoned you. Number two, Jesus is interested in your name. Let's continue the verse 5. After Jesus looked up and he said, Zacchaeus, come down immediately. How in the world Jesus knew Zacchaeus? Too many people were following Jesus that moment, but Jesus called a sinner's name and invited him to come to him immediately. Jesus knows your name. You are not nobody. You are so special to Jesus. Jesus is calling your name every day to come to him.